What's up YouTube, it's Ray from Clerks Trading Cards here, and today we're going to open 7 epic packs. We've got 4 Portuguese LOB first edition packs we'll be cracking open today, 2 unlimited LOD and 1 Metal Raiders North American pack. These all are on the website to buy. Hoping for a couple of decent pulls with soft sleeves here just in case we do pull something epic. I will start with the LOB and work my way along. Obviously do the Metal Raiders last, which is an absolutely lovely pack. So we'll start from left to right. Hopefully we get at least 1 or 2 hollows maybe. That will be epic. Anything more than that, fantastic. Sparks. Nice. And we start with Swords Ring Light, that's a nice card. Mountain. Oh, lovely. We actually start with a hollow, guys, that's absolutely fantastic. I'm not usually very lucky on pulls, but wow, what a beautiful card. Slightly maybe, no, that's quite perfect, to be honest. Lovely, I'm happy with that. And on to the next pack. I mean, it'd be absolutely epic if we got a full house. Highly doubt it, but you never know. Another one, it was short printed then. Wasteland, Curse of Dragon, wow, oh. Wow, I did not expect this. Petite Angel, Furious Seeking, Umi. Yeah, I'm trying to find it, remember the names of them, as they obviously are in Portuguese. So that one's called that's it, Trial Hell, which is obviously a short print. So I'll just leave that up as well. Just one of the best commons in this set. So there we go. So far so good. Perfect. Surely our luck can't continue. A few people have pulled epic cards from the packs we've sold. So King Fog, Beaver Warrior, Petite Dragon, Red Eyes Black Dragon. Wow, okay, this is getting absolutely crazy now. Wow. Look at the condition of that. Absolutely fantastic. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful card. Very off course on the back, as you can see. Obviously the left side is a lot bigger than the right side, but nonetheless, this would be easy at PSA 9. Can we get a full house on the LOB? I promise you guys I've not tampered with these packs or anything. I can't get this one open. I've literally just picked them out and yeah, let's just look at the draw first. We do have a lot of these packs available, so oh, another one, got a play set. Mystical Love, wow, what are the chances? Wow, okay. Yugioh. Alright, this is getting absolutely crazy now. I had a load of these delivered the other day. Portuguese packs. I cannot believe I've literally just picked the 4 top packs and we've got 4 hollows. Okay, that is quite epic, to be honest. Really happy with that. I don't think I've ever done a video where I've pulled just hollows, to be honest. I'm not really lucky in the old packs, to be honest. Let's go into LOD now anyway. If this luck continues, I will open more packs on the end of this channel. I need to. This is absolutely insane. And it doesn't look very hopeful on this one. Faint Plant, Cave Dragon. What do we have? Do we have Injection Fairy Lily? Oh my god. Oh my god. I literally don't know what to say. This is the best card in the set. I've just pulled it. Wow. I'm literally speechless. I am literally speechless here right now. It is unlimited, but wow, look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Look at the bleed on that as well. I've never ever pulled Injection Fairy Lily, so Grey Wing. I literally am speechless. Let's just get this sleeved up and let's have a quote. LOD is known to be really off course. It's one of the worst sets for grading. This doesn't look too bad. The back is off cut slightly, but it's obviously better for the back to be off cut than the front. That's fantastic. Look at that. Really hoping that gets a 9 out of 10. This is absolutely crazy, guys. I don't know. I'm speechless. I'm literally speechless. I'm not tampered with these packs in any way or anything. This is just pure luck. And likes of LOD for argument's sake and the OG sets, you know, LOB, MRD, etc. It's literally impossible to scale out secret rares. So that is literally pure luck, guys. It's literally pure luck. Oh, I'm ready. Struggling. Never box today. Let's have a look, shall we? Spirit, Ryu, Super Roro Lady, Troop Dragon. Wow. I literally I don't even know what to say. What another great card. I mean, wow, okay. I'm going to literally be leaving this video and I'm going to be going getting a few more packs, I think. I need this love to continue. Wow. Okay. This is by far the best video I've ever done. I cannot believe this. We have one pack left and so far we've pulled some epic cards. I'm going to go and pick a few more packs now, guys, just to open because I feel like the luck is just going to continue. Well, I hope it does. Bear with me. So here we have it. I'm going to open these 4 packs as well, guys. Make it an absolutely epic video. I've literally just picked these up. Obviously not. Wow. This is absolutely fantastic. We'll start with the Duelist Rev Evolution first. Let's see if we can get anything. Surely the luck cannot continue. Desperate Tag. Nope. It's a rare. Mind Mole. Scrap Golem. A lot of cat. The luck has ended, guys. I will be opening this Metal Raiders at the end though, still. This is just some of the products we do sell on the website. So, Anti-Magic Prism. Yep. Howl of the Wild. Yeah, so that's 2 packs with nothing in. Rise of Destiny. We'll go to Lost Millennium. I do like Rise of Destiny. There's not really much value in the packs, but as pulls wise, but I do like the set. It's probably the set where I stopped at collecting really when I was a lot younger. Elemental Hero Clayman, Final Ritual, and another rare. But still great packs. You can get ultimate in this pack, so hopefully you get something decent. Mighty Guard, Nightmare Penguin, back to square one. Have we got something here, guys? Have we got something here? Ah, Mystic Swordsman level 6, nice, lovely pull. Foxfire, Eli. Well, you know, this is actually fantastic. Great pull. First edition as well. Actually. Nice ultra rare there. Perfect. I mean, from the packs we've opened, to even get 7 hollows is absolutely fantastic. I would have been literally happy with 2 or 3, to be honest. No, this is the main one. This is a pack that's probably worth about £100 at the moment, the current market value, maybe just under, you know, give or take a few pounds. Very hard to get now, so I can't believe I'm actually cracking this open, to be honest. Oh, okay, you know what, I've literally just ruined the whole pack. Getting chocolate top. Wow, I cannot believe I'm actually opening MRD North American pack here. This is, yeah, crazy. Pale Beast, Jellyfish, Gucci, the Cheerful Coffin, and what do we have? We have Sangan, oh, Mega Thunderball, Bottom Dweller, Ancient Brain, and Yugioh. We do not unfortunately have a hollow, but it was an epic pack to put open. Brings back a lot of memories, to be honest, on them cards, which is quite sweet. If anyone does want any of these, I'm happy to sell them. I'll sleeve them up because they are nice commons. You know, some people do collect them and grade them, etc. The commons, so nice. So that's it. I'll just do a quick recap of what we pulled. Great cards. Nightmare or Trial of Hell, one of these, because they change the name. Epic cards to get. As commons. We'll start with the Portuguese ones, and then we'll wait. So we had Mystical Elf, Red Eyes Black Dragon, Sword Revealing Light, Cursed Dragon, Mystic Sword level 6, Hino Kagu Tuaski, I can never pronounce that. And then the best one of the obviously video is Injection Favorability by far. I will be getting probably all of these graded. Hopefully they get 10s or 9s. Absolutely fantastic. Great video, great pulls. Unfortunately to the end it kind of did die out, but nonetheless this was a fantastic video. Really enjoyed it. I really appreciate everyone who's purchased from the website, etc. We do sell all these packs that I've shown on the video here. We've got all of them on the website. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these packs, drop us a message on here or on our Instagram, Clerks Trading Cards. Or if you've got any questions to ask or anything like that, just send us a message and I can help you out. But yeah, I really appreciate guys, really appreciate you helping me out. And thank you for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I have absolutely loved it. I've been speechless. Never ever had a video where I pulled this many epic cards, to be honest, being honest. But yeah, once again, a massive thank you guys. It's been fun, and hopefully you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I'm still in shock, to be honest. I'm really still in shock. But thank you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.